India is exporter of highly skilled human brains to the world. International migration.
India ranks 33rd among 145 countries.
Prize menu of all the corporate hospitals, just like a venture capitals.
I call them cowards. Kartavyaniki bhaypadina. Every day we are seeing a phenomenal rise in COVID-19 cases in India. For this, one of the main reasons is lack of healthcare workers. But in this densely populated country like India, nearly 67,000 medical graduates are produced every year. Why are we facing lack of healthcare workers?
The answer is international migration, or you can also call it as brain drain. Means immigration of a highly trained or qualified people from a particular country. India is exporter of highly skilled human brains to the world.
Reports say that India is the major exporter of healthcare workers to the developed countries like Gulf countries, Europe countries, and other English speaking countries.
Coming straight to the point, why?
India is one of the largest producer of graduates. In India, everyone wants a secure job, or you can call it a settled life. But someone must provide a job. That someone is the one who takes up risks to make a startup and strives it to make the big one. That someone is the one who is very ambitious and courageous to raise a company.
But the risk can't be taken by everyone by their situations. So here the government can help the startups by providing a capital they need, just like a venture capitals.
India ranks 33rd among 145 countries in education. Indians are not only migrating for their education but also for their future generations' education. As in India, education system does not focus on all-round development of the children. Schooling is the place where children get the gist of every field and realize the field which they are interested in. But in India, education system only focuses on marking and grading system.
Coming to the medical care, we all know the conditions of the government hospitals and the price menu of all the corporate hospitals. In this COVID season, there is no need of us to elaborate this point as we are already aware of this. People are willing to have a luxurious life or willing to increase their life standards are moving out. Next comes the cowards who are running away from the responsibilities towards the family and the motherland in the name of freedom and enjoyment.
International migration is of two types, temporary and permanent. Temporary is actually good as it allows to diversify the culture. If other country people come to India, they bring the culture and tradition with them. So do we. We take our culture and tradition with us to other countries. It helps in diversifying culture. But the main problem is permanent migration.
I don't tell permanent migration is a problem because it depends on the person. We can't tell anybody that not to go or to go. And I also hear that most of the skilled workers are jumping to abroad and the one who are staying back are scrap. If you think so, I ask you one question. How do you decide whether a brain is skilled or scrap? Everyone is skilled in their own way. But just imagine if all the skilled people are there in India, how fast India will develop.
But the ones who ran away to abroad as they don't want to fulfill their responsibilities towards the family and their countries. I call them cowards. Kartavyaniki bhaypadina piriki pandalu.
As of now, that's it for this video. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Please post your views in the comment section. Thank you.